Are you ready to unravel the fascinating connection between psychology and wealth? Join us as we dive into the critically acclaimed bestseller, The Psychology of Money, by Housel. Discover the profound insights and timeless wisdom that will transform your relationship with money and set you on the path to financial success. Get ready to unlock the secrets of mastering your finances and securing your future. Are you tired of struggling with your finances and yearning for a greater understanding of how money truly works? Look no further than The Psychology of Money, an extraordinary book that has taken the financial world by storm. In this captivating masterpiece, author Housel delves into the complex relationship between our emotions, behaviors, and the way we manage our money. Today, we invite you to embark on a transformative journey through the pages of this bestseller and gain invaluable insights that will change your financial life forever. At its core, The Psychology of Money explores the hidden factors that drive our financial decisions and shape our relationship with wealth. Drawing from riveting anecdotes, insightful research, and the author's own experiences, Housel reveals the fundamental truths about money that often elude us. From the power of compounding and the role of luck to the impact of our emotions and the allure of financial stories, this book uncovers the psychological forces that influence our financial outcomes. Through compelling storytelling and practical wisdom, The Psychology of Money will challenge your preconceived notions about wealth, success, and the pursuit of happiness. You'll gain a fresh perspective on the true meaning of financial well-being, learning how to make smarter decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and develop a long-term mindset that will lead to financial security and peace of mind. Imagine a life where you have control over your financial destiny, where money becomes a tool that serves your goals and aspirations. In The Psychology of Money, you'll discover eye-opening insights and practical strategies that will reshape your approach to wealth. Join us as we delve into the captivating pages of this bestseller, and get ready to embark on a transformative journey towards financial success. Join us on this enlightening expedition into the world of The Psychology of Money. Explore the captivating stories, timeless wisdom, and practical advice that will empower you to make better financial decisions, achieve lasting wealth, and create a secure future. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or seeking to improve your existing financial habits, this book will equip you with the tools and mindset necessary to thrive in an ever-changing financial landscape. To embark on your path towards financial well-being, make sure to grab a copy of The Psychology of Money by Housel. Click the link in the description to order your copy today. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content and join us on the journey to financial freedom. Let's unlock the secrets of wealth and transform our financial lives together.